We know how stressful and costly it can be when issues arise in your automated packaging operation. BestPack aims to reinvent the idea of what to expect from a packaging solutions manufacturer, which is why we created the BPA Program. With more than 35 years of global packaging machinery expertise, we provide solutions to prevent downtime on your production line by offering free parts vouchers that can be redeemed for wear and tear parts, tape heads, or handheld tape dispensers. Access to our tape head refurbishment program, providing you with replacement tape heads at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Exclusive support and preventative maintenance visits. An additional 2-year warranty extension with your new BestPack equipment, potentially saving thousands of dollars in replacement parts and paid warranties. And special quarterly offerings for members only. The best part is that any new and existing customers can join our BPA program by simply purchasing BestPack tape. Become a member of the BPA program and let us partner with you in making your packaging process more reliable, efficient, and profitable. Don't delay. Join BPA today.